So the average person takes around 12 trips a year on the train, and just out and about. And so as a nutritionist, I often get asked by clients, Melissa, on the go, I travel a lot for work, or, I'm going away for a hen do or something. What can I eat? How can I stay on track with my health goals and just feel good? And the station that I was at was very slim pickings. I mean, there was no Pret or M&S, there was not even any supermarket. It was just kind of the little kiosk stands or kind of upper crust, which is just all full of candy bars, I'm not American, chocolate bars and crisps and chewing gum and sodas. And so I had the challenge of, okay, how can I eat the best here? And what I got this yogurt, gourmet, the Collective raspberry yogurt. I just thought this would fill me up a bit. So 150 calories, 6 grams of protein. There is quite a bit of sugars in here, but at least it's live yogurt, so my gut bacteria will benefit. There is sugar, yes, and there's flavorings, fine, but this is a lot better than a chocolate bar that's just gonna give me no sort of fullness. It's just gonna taste good basically and increase my blood sugar levels, and I'll probably feel more hungry later on. So this is a nice one to have. I've got here, I'm gonna have this, and then I'm gonna hit the gym. So this is a really good snack. And then out of the sandwich, the best one was this tuna and cucumber sandwich. The reason why is because in terms of energy, it's 317 calories, which was fine. But the reason why I like this one is because it was one of the highest of the fiber content. So fiber is 4.5, whereas your duck hoisin was like 2 or 3. And the protein for this one is 14.9 grams. So when I look for something to eat, I look at their fiber and protein intake, because both of those are what's going to keep me feeling full. If I'm picking something like a hoisin duck and it's like 400 to 450 calories, but only 2 grams of fiber, I know that I'm not going to be feeling full. If there was like a supermarket there, like say M&S, I'd probably get nice banana, crispy apple, probably some hot smoked salmon for my protein and just nibble on that. And look at some sort of salads or get some carrots and hummus. So just really bulking up on the fiber. I would probably get a big pot of strawberries as well, or grapes, just to munch on, and it just all keeps to help me feeling full. What's available at and I would probably recommend doing this, and I would probably, if I were you, I would look at the hotel you're in, look at the restaurant and see what's available. Because at mine, it is burger and it's a nice place, and it's kind of gourmet, but at the end of the day, it's burger and chips, curry, it's going to be white rice and poppadom. What else do they have? Like steak and chips. The starters is like fried squid, mushroom soup. Like it's all a lot of kind of fried. The soup's going to be heavy in cream. The burger and chips, that's easily going to just whack on 1,000 calories and just make me feel bloated, full. They're going to impact my sleep. To me, it's not worth it. Even like a curry with white rice and poppadom, it's a lot of kind of, it's got protein in, but there's not going to be any veggies, and I just want to bulk up on veggies. And I know what I've got here isn't exactly that good either, but at least I'm going to probably feel, I know it's lacking in veggies, but at least it's kind of lowering calories. And I know at the wedding, I'm gonna literally go to town on the food, and there's gonna be ice cream and 3-course meal and stuff, so I want to try and balance it today and not kind of indulge too much. So this would be my advice for someone who wanted to lose weight. Of course, everything in moderation. If you want to have burgers, fries, fine, go for it. This is just my top tips as a nutritionist. Oh yeah, and I forgot to mention, obviously, the best thing you can do is bring something from home. For snacks, I would bring dried apricots or some sort of dried fruit that has got no added sugar in it. I love getting the dried apricots that are just naturally brown. They haven't added colour to it to make it bright orange. And I love having this with a bag of mixed raw seeds and nuts. And then for like lunch or dinner, I would probably make a really nice kind of, I don't know, feta quinoa salad with cucumber and roasted vegetables, or something that I could just have cold, and then I would put it straight into the hotel fridge and have that. That's what I would do, but I didn't have time, and also I thought it will make an interesting video to set myself a challenge of how to actually eat well. And it was very slim pickings. There wasn't even a banana or apple I could have. To conclude, plan ahead by looking at the menu. When you do arrive at the station, try and pick something that is high in protein and high in fibre, whilst also looking at calories if you're wanting to lose weight. And if you've kind of, you want to be strict with it. And bring your fitness stuff so you can go to the gym. And yeah, drink plenty of water. One of my great tips to clients is just drink. So like, there's lots of yummy teas in the room. I'm going to drink lots of tea. I'm going to work out on an empty-ish stomach. And then I'm going to come back, have my yogurt, have my sandwich. And a lot of my clients struggle with what to eat. So I really hope this video has helped. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.